Have you ever wondered why some donuts are light and fluffy while others, like cake donuts, are dense? Today we're diving into the science behind it. Cake donuts and yeast donuts have different textures. Yeast donuts are lighter because yeast creates air bubbles, making the dough puff up. Cake donuts lack this leavening agent. The density of cake donuts comes from their protein content and lack of yeast. The proteins in the flour interact, creating a denser structure that doesn't rise like yeast dough. When making cake donuts at home, they need about 15 to 18 minutes in the fryer. They are best coated with cinnamon sugar while still warm, but not too hot. The chewy denseness of cake donuts is a characteristic that many people find irresistible. This texture contrasts sharply with the light and fluffy feel of yeast donuts. You can enjoy homemade cake donuts by setting aside just an hour or two on a weekend. It's a rewarding process that results in a delicious, dense treat. So the next time you enjoy a cake donut, remember it's not just about taste, but also about the science behind its unique texture and density. What part of making cake donuts most interests you? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more food science insights.